For years, earning yield on XRP meant navigating new wallets, bridges, and unfamiliar DeFi tools. With Flare Smart accounts, that experience is changing. Now, you can access DeFi directly from the wallet you already use, xHaven. Inside xHaven, you'll now see access to curated yield opportunities powered by Flare. No new accounts to create, no additional wallets to manage, just XRP, ready to participate. The dashboard shows everything at a glance. Total value locked, estimated APY, your XRP balance, and your current Upshift vault position. To participate, simply enter the amount of XRP you'd like to allocate. In multiples of 10, the X app immediately shows you how much earnXRP you'll receive in return. Behind the scenes, smart accounts coordinate around everything required to move your assets into DeFi automatically. The deposit process begins with a small network fee transaction. You'll see the familiar xHaven transaction review, with full details and transparent amounts. Before signing anything, slide to accept, and the first step is done. The X app now prepares your main deposit. Next, the actual deposit transaction is presented, sending your XRP to a verified FACET agent on the XRP ledger. Once again, nothing executes without your explicit signature. With your second signature, the deposit is fully underway. No bridging steps, no gas tokens, no protocol switching. From here, Flare Smart accounts handle the full execution lifecycle, minting FXRP, allocating assets into the Upshift vault strategy, and deploying capital across DeFi protocols. You can close the X app and come back later. Your deposit is being processed on the Flare network. Once complete, your position appears. Actively earning yield. Rewards are distributed in FXRP, a yield-bearing, verifiably represented form of XRP exposure. When you're ready, withdrawing is just as simple. Tap Withdraw, and your position converts back to XRP through the same seamless flow. After initiating withdrawal, funds are locked for up to 24 hours before the claim becomes available. With Flare Smart accounts, accessing DeFi no longer requires leaving XRPL environments. No new wallets, no bridges, no complexity. Just your XRP account on xHaven, now a gateway to yield.